एक बार फिर कुछ नई कहानियों के साथ वापस आ रहा है आपका फेवरेट शो अदालत 2। चलिए जानते हैं कि डी पाठक यानी रोनित रॉय से इस बार क्या खास होगा।
I am very excited for myself and more so for my audience. Large cross section of the audience has been wanting Adalat 2 back for a very long time, and I am just happy that I've managed to keep my promise to them. When I left in July last year, I had promised them that we'll come back soon. It's taken 10 months, 11 months. But finally we are back, and I promised them it will be bigger and better. The trials and tribulations of making Adalat better than it was in the first season are on, and I'm hoping that we succeed in doing that, in entertaining our audience like we did the last time. We are refraining from all that currently, but what the audience need to understand is that quirkiness stems from maybe our boredom, or maybe it stems from a place where we don't know what to do next, because it is not easy to do 8 stories a month into 5 years. That's a lot of stories, and there's just so many ways you can kill people. So when you get into a zone like that, you trial and experiment with things. Some experiments work, some experiments don't. The experiments that have not worked for us, I don't think we'll be repeating them. We'll be focusing on more realistic cases, maybe current scenarios picked up, turned into stories, fiction of course, and so pretty much the mystery of Adalat will be sustained and kept in season 2, and maybe a little more intelligence than there was in the last season. When the producers of Adalat came to me the first time, I was very clear that I didn't want a show where we were educating the people or our viewers, giving them any legal advice or such. I wanted to do a courtroom drama which was purely, entertaining, and it remains, that diktat remains, that I'm here to do a show which entertains people, and not here to give any piece of legal advice. Hence, I have never really researched a particular lawyer, but we know about the famous lawyers that are there in our country, starting with the Jethmalanis. There are a lot of lawyers who are supposed to be very, very good, and I follow their cases, and some of the cases are still sub judice, so I refrain to comment on that. Unfortunately, I can't, because I just gave you the number. We've completed about 435 episodes, 50 episodes. So it's difficult to remember which episode, what happened in which episode, because I shoot episodes back to back. So sometimes 4 episodes down the line, I don't remember which one I had shot earlier. Because all the stories, somewhere they get mixed up in my mind, and then you kind of don't know which one was which one. But some of the episodes were very interesting. Some of the ones which I had directed, there was one called Hit by a Train. Of course, my name, I didn't give my name as the writer-director, but I had written and directed that episode, among other ones. So that's still, the way it was executed. We shot it in just 4 days. And the girl falling from the bridge, the train running over her, it was good to execute, and we shot at a real location with real cops and everything, so that was quite interesting.
इतना ही नहीं, रोनित ने अपने फैंस को भी दिया मैसेज।
I'd like to tell them what I always tell them, that you might not believe it, but I love you more than you love me. And Adalat 2 is on air from the 4th of June, every Saturday, Sunday on Sony TV, 8 o'clock. So watch, and you know how to get in touch with me. So write to me and let me know what you think of the show, and whatever you like will increase, and whatever you don't will decrease. And probably Katie will have a love interest this season.
तो हो जाइए तैयार कुछ नए अनसुलझे केस को सुलझाने के लिए। आशिमा चावला, कैमरामैन बाबाजी, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई।
Hi, this is Ronit Roy, and you're watching me on India Forums.